wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the back.
Oh, girl, you look a mess. Matt Aaliyah's basketball practice is about to be over. I always leave a little bit early so she can walk out with her friends and whatnot, child. I am hooked on this burrata pizza. Have y'all ever had burrata? It's like a certain type of cheese. It's like a mix with mozzarella and something else, but honey, it looks delicious. I bought, oh, look at me. I look a mess. This juice, I don't know what's in this. I know what's in the juice because I made the juice, but this juice tastes like something else is in this juice. Cause like after 3 sips, I'll be feeling all right. I don't know, but I stopped drinking it till I get home. I gotta get home. What is going on with the juice? Let's cut the on. I've been seeing this burrata pizza and no, I put that pizza back. I almost bought a pizza. DiGiorno, they're changing the recipe on everything because that DiGiorno was like this big for $10. I don't think so. I can go to Pizza Hut and get a $7 medium and wings. Well, 7 each, but anyway. So I was like, I just want to make a pizza at home. So I bought like, you know, the flour, the yeast. I got to go get some extra virgin olive oil. But then I start looking at, oops, excuse me, back up. I start looking at people making their own pizza, and I done scrolled upon a burrata pizza from on TikTok. Praise God for TikTok. What would we be doing? What would we be doing if it was no TikTok? Like, for real. That burrata, it's like a big old ball, like a white mozzarella ball, and you cut it and it's kind of giving creamy, but it looks so good. And this guy made it with some pesto. Needless to say, me and Aaliyah about to go to the store. All I need is the cheese. Already got the dough. I want to try pesto. I feel like I tried it before and maybe it wasn't giving, but just the way he made it, I want to make it exactly how he made it. I want the pesto. He had arugula. I had just bought some canned tomatoes because we ain't supposed to be eating these tomatoes, okay? I heard it was a recall. But I got some canned tomatoes and some diced tomatoes. You know, I'm going to whip up my own little sauce. Oh, it's going to be good. You know, I'm going to bring y'all along. But I'm really trying to get in the habit of making my own food because I don't know what they're trying to take us out. But they're changing the recipe on everything, and then the proportions are getting smaller and the quantity is getting smaller. It's like all these snack size things for regular price. No, that's why I'm juicing now and winging myself off of preservatives. We about to be eating fresh, raw things, raw fruits, raw vegetables. I got that on camera. I was trying to shoot a little TikTok, and then this man is gonna come out of the woods, like out of nowhere. I hope I got that. Because what? I was like, what? Hey guys. I'm back at the crib. About to take Aaliyah to basketball practice. So, did I show the clip of the guy who popped out of the bushes? Oh, I don't know why he was coming from over there. It was just really weird. And then he gonna look at me as if I'm weird. Sir, you just popped out of a bush. Anyway, I'm about to take Aaliyah to her basketball practice right quick. But this is the fit. Just got on this cute little fun tee. I think I got this for like $1 and some change at Ross. Little black pants. What is this? What are you watching? Beyonce? Oh. I don't know. These black pants. I don't know what this is. I'm not paying it. I just got these, but I've been loving rocking my glasses lately. It's kind of like me being incognito. Let's go. You have all your things?
Yeah, do you have a hair tie?
This is how I know you don't listen, because I said it was a hair tie in the car.
I didn't hear the car.
Yeah, you did. I said that when we were out there. I said, "Well, it's a hair tie in the car." You said, "Oh, okay."
I thought you was just talking about a hair tie.
I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see, wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with. They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking out. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
Hey y'all, it is Friday at night. It is about 8:30. I am sitting here outside of a restaurant because we are waiting to eat. Girl, you know I'm eating. I'm waiting on them to get here, so I'm just chilling for a while. Of course somebody will park right next to me. It's literally 17 parking spots. They had to have passed by them to come in this little spot right next to me.
I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me.
It's another golf day. Saturday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. This beautiful view. How nice is that view at 6 o'clock in the morning? Are you kidding me? I come for the views, even though I don't golf. I'm supposed to go to a museum today. I don't think it's happening. I'll go another day because I need a nap.
You send me the location, then I'll be right there. So make I come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance. Doing 80 on the freeway, catch me if you can. But give me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame, I'm a simple man. Mr. International, player with the passport. Just like a Latin switch, get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low.
Hey y'all, it's a couple hours later. Honey, I done fell asleep. I had a good nap. It was a much needed nap. We needed that, but it's 8:53. I'm on my way to put some air in the tire. I gotta put some air in the tire because when I woke up from my nap, I checked on my car and my PSI is back at 12. So it was at 35. That was at, what time did it? That was like at like maybe 1, almost 1 o'clock. So it's almost 9 o'clock. I can't get it fixed till Monday. So, and I thought Lowe's was still gonna be open. Why is Lowe's closed at 9 o'clock? I thought they closed like 10. So now I'm scared. Mama heard me put this urn here right quick. All right, it's still like a couple of people here, maybe the workers. So I feel a little bit better. But if you are a single woman out there, don't do this. Don't do what I do. I'm only doing this because if I wait until the morning, my tire will be flat. And I meant to come out here before, but I fell asleep. Let's check our surroundings. Ever since that guy popped out the bush on me, honey. No. Where's my keys? Make sure I got my keys. Check our surroundings. Bro, what? Why would this car be doing a U-turn right here? I don't play these games. This red light is cute though. Still a couple people out here. I'm gonna be a pro at this. Checking the surroundings. Keep your head on the swivel. Did not know your local Lowe's has free air. And sometimes when you go to Circle K, these gas stations, their air, it doesn't work. Watch my back. It's a nice night out here though. Ooh, Jesus. Oh, so that's how I let the air out. Okay, so on the other side, we need to let the air out. Please forgive me. I wasn't paying attention. And they're doing construction, so I know. I ran over something. This is some bull. That's what it is. The construction company is in cahoots with the car company so that we keep buying stuff. They all working together. All right. What'd I say? All right, I'm back on 20. But anyway, how was y'all day? I had a good little Saturday. I went golfing today. I was extra tired. But the scenery is like so worth it. Sacrifice. You sacrifice waking early so you can get that view. That view will change your whole mindset and then change how you think about stuff. So that's why I do the things that I be doing. Do it for you. 26. Almost. Make sure ain't nobody in this back seat. All right. Okay, so it went away. So I got enough air. Oh, we need to go get some gas. So I got enough air. So that means first thing in the morning, which I'll probably be up at like 7. First thing in the morning, I need to come and get some more air. So we're going to be doing this again. Probably won't bring you guys along. Because once you've seen one air, you've seen them all. How am I getting up out of here? Tomorrow, I didn't get to go to the museum today. Just because it just didn't align with the time. It was supposed to be like at 11. For Juneteenth, I had a free ticket. And you know I was gonna go, honey, because it's all about the content. It's all about the content. I was gonna go. But it's fine because I was extremely tired. But yeah. I am a little bummed because I did want to go to church in the morning. But you know what? I'm going to hear a good word either way. Either way, the word is going to get me.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like, when